finally get here. But the email came, and it cut like a knife. Refund process, oh, the saddest line of my life. They canceled my key, broke my CW dream. No sweet BaMaKey in my radio stream. I'd be happier now. Oh, can't you see? If they kept the cash and just send me that key. I don't want the money, I don't need it back. I'd give it all up for that twin paddle track. Every night I'm crying, staring at the screen, thinking of the TPIII that might have been. They canceled my key, broke my CW dream. No sweet BaMaKey in my radio stream. I'd be happier now. Oh, can't you see? If they kept the cash and just send me that key. Yeah, keep the refund, keep the change. This love for the TP-III is driving me insane. All I wanted was a paddle built strong and true, but now I'm sitting here crying the BaMaKey Blues. K4EST calling, her signal's fine. Beside her's Eastern Standard Time. We give up the refund. Oh, can't you see? For one last chance at that TP-III. They canceled my key, broke my CW dream. No sweet BaMaKey in my radio stream. I'd be happier now. Oh, can't you see? If they kept the cash and just send me that key.